Right. So good morning, guys. Welcome to Narayana Tech House. So as part of our ATM project with extra features, we discussed already two videos, guys. In those two videos, just create account and login to account also over. Create account and login to account over, right? That is what we have seen in the previous sessions. Let me run this one. Let's observe here. Right. So and also in the back end, these are the tables. Accounts is the one table. Another one is what transactions is the another table. Two tables we have, right? Accounts and transactions. Already there are three persons who opened the account, guys. There are three persons who open the account. Their account numbers are 101, 1001, 2, 3, right? Okay. Now I just log into account, guys. Now choose the option 1. Right, I am giving the account number 1001 and the PIN number is 1111. Okay, yes. Now there are some options to do here, like check the balance, withdraw, deposit, transfer, right, transaction history, and change PIN number, right? So in the previous video we discussed up to the first option. Which one? Check the balance. Check the balance also over. Now give the first one. You can see here your choice is 1, right? Okay, so current balance how much here? 50,000. You can see now what is current balance for the first account number 1001 is 50,000. This is what over in the previous session. Okay, all of you. Right, now let's see here. Let's observe now. Let me take some space, guys, here because their alignment is not proper way, right? So I'll take this one. Right. Okay. Now what do we do here? The first choice is over, right? What is first one? This is what over, guys. Your account, your current balance is how much displaying here? Displaying 50,000, and right. I don't print the choice also. Whatever the user is giving. Now suppose if choice is 2, guys, then what do we do? If choice is 2, then we want to perform which one? Withdraw, right? Withdraw. So whenever the user wants to do withdraw, first we ask user how much amount you want to withdraw. How much amount you want to withdraw? We have some amount here. We have some amount, guys, right? So you give some amount. See right now for this user how much balance is there? See, guys, balance is different, amount is different in this case. Balance means what? Whatever currently available in the account, that is balance. Amount means what? How much you want to withdraw out of this balance. Suppose the amount which is going to withdraw should be greater than 0, guys. Should be greater than 0 and should be less than 50,000 only. Less than 50,000 only, guys. Less than 50,000 only, right? Because his amount how much totally currently he has 50,000, right? So you cannot give you want to withdraw some 70,000. It's not possible, right? You cannot withdraw 55,000, 60,000, 1 lakh. No, not possible. Why not possible? Because the amount is 50,000 rupees only. How it does withdraw more than that one? Is not possible. And also we will do one thing, guys, here. Suppose we cannot withdraw more amount from ATM per day, right? So some target will be there. Even though in your account you may have suppose 10 lakhs rupees, guys. You may have 10 lakhs rupees like this in your account, but you can't withdraw 10 lakhs from your account. For daily limit, let's keep some 25,000 guys, 25,000 daily limit, or 20,000 or 50,000 like this. So that for a day you can withdraw 10,000 rupees only or 20,000 rupees only. If you give more than 20,000 rupees, I want display your daily limit is exceeded like this. Even though in your account you have 10 lakhs rupees, but our daily limit how much here? 20,000 rupees only. 20,000 rupees only. And one more condition is you cannot withdraw just 5 rupees or 12 rupees, something 70 rupees or 50 rupees. No. The amount that you want to withdraw should be multiples of hundreds, guys. If you go to any ATM, it displays amount withdraw should be multiples of hundreds or multiples of hundreds only. All of right. So that also I want to keep the condition. Should be multiples of hundreds only. You can't withdraw 150 rupees. No. You can't withdraw 220 rupees. No. You can't withdraw 1,050 rupees. No. Should be 100 or 200, right? Or something 500 or something 1,000 rupees. Like this only. Okay. Like that, keep all the conditions in case of withdraw operation. What's first one? Tell me now. The amount should not be less than 0. First condition, guys. Which one? Amount should not be less than 0. Second is what? Your amount should not more than the existing balance. Your amount should not more than the existing balance. Second condition. Third one is what? Your amount should be within the daily limit only. Within the daily limit only, guys. Daily limit only. All of right? Should be daily limit only. And then one more is what? Here should be multiples of hundreds only. Multiples of hundreds. These 4 conditions I am going to apply when you choose the withdraw option, guys. Withdraw choice. I repeat. What's the first element now? The first one is what? Your amount should not less than 0. Should not less than 0. But second one, your amount should not more than the balance. No. Next one, your amount should not more than daily limit, guys. I keep some threshold value, daily limit 20,000 rupees like that. Okay, all of you. That is some daily limit, right? Daily limit, guys. And the amount should be multiples of hundreds only. Multiples of hundreds, guys. Like this, we'll keep 4 conditions. 4 conditions in withdrawal. Okay, right. Now let us start now. So, and also the amount should be, it is integer number only, guys. If you give float number, if you give string or any boolean value or any complex value or list format, I want return some value error. For that I am going to use what? Try block. Then we ask user enter amount to withdraw. Enter amount to withdraw. Okay, withdraw, guys, right? Withdraw like this. Now we'll take this. Right, that's all. Okay. Now see what is the current balance of this 1001 customer. I think 50,000 rupees, guys, right? Remember this value, 50,000 rupees. Okay, and how much he is giving here? He is giving, for example, he want to withdraw some 10,000 rupees, guys. 10,000 rupees. But how much amount do you have? What is the balance, guys, here? The balance he has 50,000 rupees currently in his account. But how much amount you are giving here? Withdraw amount. How much amount you are giving there? That's important here. Now, what's first one? This amount should not be less than 0. First condition, guys, right? Observe now. If that amount is less than or equal to 0, then I want to display one message here. What is the message? Like invalid amount like this. And then continue. And then what here? Continue. Continue means what now? Continue means what? this it will repeats, guys. Okay, which is the while loop nearby in the above, near where is the while loop here, right? Okay, now when you give suppose amount something minus 10 rupees here, you are giving minus 10 rupees, then condition is true, less than 0, right? Display invalid amount. Continue means what? It start the same loop again, guys. It starts now. It starts again, displaying that all options and asking the user to choose the choice, check the balance, withdraw, like this, and then again it check the conditions one by one, guys. Next time, suppose you are giving suppose 0, guys, 0. Again condition is true. Again check the condition. Condition is true. Again display invalid amount. Again it start the continue means what? It again starts the loop, guys, like this. Continue the while loop, right? And next one is elif, right? First condition, guys, right? Next one is what? Second condition here. Your amount should not be greater than existing balance, guys, right? So observe now. Your amount should not, if it is greater than balance, then I want display what here? I want display insufficient balance, sufficient balance, like this. That means what? Your balance 50,000, but you are giving to withdraw something like 60,000, guys, right? 60,000 amount 60,000 you are giving, but what balance you have? 50,000. At that time, this condition is false. That means it won't display invalid amount. If it's false means go to second condition, right? And now amount how much here? 60,000. But what is the balance here? 50,000. 60 greater than 50, it is true. Means you are withdrawing more than the existing balance. So display what? Here? Just insufficient balance, right? And again you can continue the loop, guys. That's our choice. Continue the loop, all of you. Okay. Or else let's go to again next condition. What next one here? Elif. So let us take some daily limit, guys. What is the daily limit means? I'll take one variable here, all of you. That variable is what? Daily limit equal to I'll take suppose 0, guys. Initially I'm taking a 0. Daily limit daily withdrawn, all of you. Daily withdrawn. How much amount? Initially I'm assigning 0. Now observe here. Now all of you observe now. That one plus how much here? This amount should not greater than 20,000, guys, right? Means now tell me what is the daily withdrawal amount here? Now 0, right? 0 is there. Now suppose you are giving some 25,000, guys. You are giving 25,000 like this. Now 0 plus 25,000, how much totally? 25,000 rupees only, guys, right? This is what? 25,000 rupees only. Is greater than 20,000. True or false? It is true. Then I want to display daily limit exceeds. Okay, I want to display what here? Here you may have a doubt, guys, why I am using this plus. I'll tell you that one. Okay, so daily limit exceeded. Okay, exceeded, guys, that's all. Now observe here. So I am taking daily withdrawn amount plus amount means I'll tell you now. Suppose, guys, see, first time I am doing transaction. First time what happened? Observe, guys, here. Suppose first time I withdraw some 5,000 rupees, guys, or 5,000 over. In the morning at 9 a.m. I withdraw 5,000 rupees over. Now out of 20,000 daily limit, now how much over? 5,000 over, right? 5,000 over, guys. Now it will be 5,000 because in the below what do I do, guys? Whatever amount you withdrawing every time, that I update which one? Update this variable, guys. Update this variable. Initial how much here? 0. Now at 9 a.m. how much withdraw? 5,000 withdraw. Now at the end I will assign to daily withdraw amount. How much here? 5,000 rupees over, right? All of you. Now what is the daily withdrawal amount now? 5,000 rupees. Now next at something 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. again you are going to ATM. You are trying now 10,000 withdraw. How much? 10,000 withdraw. Now at this point of time, already how much withdraw you have done? Already you have done the 5,000 rupees. Plus how much now? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Total how much over now? 50,000 rupees over today. Right? Now again that value we have to update here now. How much update here? 15,000 rupees over. Right? Next again at something 11 a.m. you went to ATM, you are trying for withdraw again some 10,000 rupees. Again trying for 10,000 rupees. Right? Now already how much withdrawn amount over, guys? Now daily limit how much over already? Already how much over now? 15,000 over already. Now already how much daily limit over? 50,000 over. Plus amount, how much amount you are giving now? 10,000 amount. Now 15,000 amount, 15,000 rupees plus 10,000 rupees. How much now? 25,000 rupees is greater than 20,000. It is true. Means what? Your daily limit is exceeded. Right? So every time what do I do? Whatever amount you are withdrawing, maybe 100 rupees or 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees, I am going to assign to one variable so that we understand total how much withdrawing per day. But update that variable every time. If you don't update the variable, then I can't find out how much amount you are withdrawing every time. Because here my challenge is there. Challenge here, some limit is there per day. That's why compulsory should maintain that variable so that every time that variable value updates, we can compare here. Alright? Okay, that's why I have taken this one. Again, what next one here? Elif. Right, okay. That amount I am giving modulus 1,000 should not equal to 0. Should not equal to 0, guys. All of you. 0. Right? Means it should be multiples of 10 hundreds, guys. Right? So in this case also, now what I want to display? I want to display like amount must be multiple of hundreds, guys. Right? Once these all conditions are false, then let's go to else block. Now we do deducting the amount from our main balance, guys. All of you. Right? See, suppose you are giving something 0. At that time, this condition is true. Then display this message. Next one, you are giving something like some 60,000. Maybe this condition is false, but this is the true. They display what? Insufficient balance. Right? Because you have balance 50 only, but how much you are giving? 6,000. Next one, for daily limit, how much? 20,000, but I am giving withdraw 30,000 rupees at a time. At that time, this is the true. It is also true. Sorry, this is the false, guys. It is false. It is also false. It is also false because the amount how much here? 30. What is the balance? 50, right? So it is also false. Then this is the true. The display what? Daily limit exceeded. Right? Next I am giving here. In this case also, what is happening here, guys? Now, suppose I am giving some number 10,000 rupees, guys. 10,000 rupees. Now all conditions are false. All are false. Then this is the correct amount to withdraw. It is not less than 0. It is not more than our main balance. It is not more than the daily limit. It is not and also it is which one? Multiple of 100 only. It is multiple of 100 only. All of right? Okay. And then in this case, now what should I do? This amount should be minus from the main balance. Yes or no? This amount should be which one? Minus from the main balance, guys. Okay. Now observe here. Observe now that balance minus amount. Assigned to what now? Assigned to balance, guys. Right? What is the balance currently? 50,000. What is the amount you are giving currently to withdraw? 10,000, right? Now how much here remaining? Remaining 40,000. that 40,000 now our balance, guys. Now our balance, right? At the same time, withdraw amount, how much previous initially withdraw amount, I told you this one we update, right? Observe here, that one I'll take plus how much here amount assigned to what again, withdrawal amount, like this. Initially 0, now how much withdraw? 10,000. So 0 plus 10,000, how much here? 10,000. Now what is the daily withdrawal value? 10,000. We are giving 10,000 in current transaction. This is what? 10,000. 10,000. Now here, guys, two things. Now we should update this value, this transaction in both tables. In accounts table, first account number is there, then account name is there, then age, right? Age is there, okay, and then we have which one? Balance, right? Previously for 1001 account number, what is the balance previously before this transaction? It was 50,000. But now this value should be updated by which value? By current balance value. What's current balance value? 40,000. 40,000 should update. That's one thing we should do, right? The second thing is what? This entire transaction we have to save in the transaction table. What we have to say? In the transaction table, maybe some transaction ID is there. And transaction type. Which type this one? Is it deposit transaction, withdraw transaction, transfer amount? Which one? Withdraw, right? Withdraw type, guys. Withdraw type, right? Then how much amount withdraw here? 10,000 withdraw. How much amount withdraw? So this is what? This is the withdraw type. How much amount withdraw? 10,000 withdraw, right? Okay, 10,000 withdraw. And the date and time, we have taken the date column also, guys, right? Date, at what date it has withdraw. That all data I want to update in the which table? Transaction table. So now I am going to update two tables, guys. One is accounts table, just to change the main balance. But second, what here? This transaction I want to save in the transaction table. Right? All of you. So here for these two things, I am going to create two separate functions, guys. Two separate functions. One is what? This one I'll take the function name something updating balance. Update balance function, guys. Okay. And for this one, what do I do here? One function name I will take because the same two operations we should do after withdrawal also, we should do after transferring amount also. Every time we have tried this code in every choice. Instead of that one, just give two functions separately and call the functions under withdraw, under transfer, under deposit, so that it's easy for us. If you got my point, right, guys? So now, what is the choice here? The choice is what now? The choice is withdraw. Withdraw, right? Okay, withdraw. At the time of withdraw, we should update the accounts table. We should update what here? Transaction table, right? Next, when I do like deposit option, guys, option 3, choice 3, suppose deposit, deposit. At that time also, I should update this table. This table, right? Next one more operation, that is what? Transfer, right? Transfer amount is there. At that time also should update this table, right? So see, if write normally that logic, update logic here and this transitive update logic, the same logic we have write in all three options. In under withdraw, I am writing here. On deposit also should write the same code. Transfer also write the same code, right? So instead of writing the multiple times, so what do? I create two separate functions. Two functions I create there. One is update balance table and this is what? Suppose transaction record, guys. These two I will create and just call the functions for withdraw, for deposit, and then for transfer. I also call this function under these three operations. That's better. Now, so what do I do here? Observe now. I am going to call which one? Update balance, guys. That means which table? Accounts table. To update the balance, for whom you want to update the balance? The account number you should give. For whom you want to update the balance? Account number. Where is account number here? This account number you are getting, right? The account number should pass to that new function. Plus, what is the amount currently? What is the balance currently? That balance also we have to pass. These two required, right? Now, this function I am going to implement, guys. Where I implement? Above this one only, I am going to implement here. Now, observe now. I take def update balance. Def what here? Update balance. Update balance. I just take the pass. And also, I implement, guys. Now, next one, what second one here? Transaction record. Or else, or anyone, guys, no problem, right? Or else, transaction record, transaction update, update transaction, our choice, right? But it's not updating, guys, right? See, this is what update means. What existing balance we are replacing with a new balance, but it's not updating, right? Okay, we are adding the new transaction, guys. That's why I'm taking the transaction record. Okay, and to transaction record, what required here? What required here, guys? Now observe. Same, we required account number required. Here also account number required, guys. Right? And what is the type here? Which type this one? Withdraw type. Okay, I'm taking the name manually. Withdraw type. Right? And then amount also we should pass. Previously only account number and balance. But here along with account number, we should give the amount here. How much amount you have to withdraw? That amount required in the transaction table. Plus type, which type this one? This is the which operation? Withdraw operation only, right? Withdraw only. So I am taking now withdraw. Right. Now this one also I am going to call here. What is the name I have taken? These two things, guys, I am going to implement here now. Again, def. That's all. Now, guys, observe here. So here in the account balance, what is coming now? Account number and balance, right? Both coming here. I'll take those both arguments here, right? That's fine. Now, let's observe here. To update the balance, so see in the table now this column value of this account number I want to update, right? In this column, multiple values are there. 50,000 is there, 1 lakh is there, 10,000 is there. Which one now as per the account number? Okay, so now what is the better one here? I'll take cursor dot execute of yes. We'll take update. Table name is what? Accounts. Set balance equal to I take here which one? Placeholder, guys, where account number equal to also placeholder. Now I am going to pass the first what here? Balance, right? Okay, first one balance, guys. Balance means what? This one means that existing balance column updated by this new balance value, where account number is 1001 is there in this example. Account number, okay. That's all. Means if you give 1001 for 1001 wherever 1001 is there, for that one the balance will be how much here? This new amount, guys, new balance. Once it is done, then simply what we do, that db dot we are going to commit. That's all, guys. Over now. What is db, sir? If you observe previously I taken connection what here? db, guys. Okay, that I am using now. Next, coming to transaction table. See here I am going to update the existing data, existing balance, but here we have to insert the transaction, guys, right? We have to insert the transaction. So at that time in the transaction table, what columns are there? DESC. Then I am giving a transaction, right? Now guys, observe here this account transaction ID. This transaction ID is auto increment field, guys. Means the value is default, it increases automatically. Account number we are giving now. Transaction type, withdraw type, how much amount withdraw? 10,000 rupees. And any target amount is there? Account means what? See, target account means when you transfer to other person, at that time that account number we add. But right now no transferring, guys, right? No transferring, just only which one? Just only withdraw amount only. Withdraw amount only. Withdraw amount only. That's why this target amount account not there. And what is the transaction date time? That also comes automatically, guys. That also generate current date and time. Okay. Now see the order here. What's first one is there? Account number, right? Okay. Forget this one, guys. It takes automatic increment number. First account number is there. That I am giving account number. I just Q account number. Next what here? Transaction type. Okay, I am taking now some transaction type here. Account number comma then transaction type comma. Next what here? Amount, right? Okay, amount comma. What next one? Target account, right? Okay, target account, guys. Target account. By default I take this one none, guys. By default none means what? Oh sorry, I am taking this all here, right? But I want to perform these operations not here, guys. I made mistake in this case. Okay, right. Now the target account I am giving none, guys. None means what? See, every time I want this all, but whenever I do target transfer at the time, I assign that account number here. But by default I am taking the none, right? None. Okay. Now here what do I do? This transaction I am going to insert. How to insert here? Cursor dot insert into insert. Sorry, here execute function. Okay, execute of. Now guys, observe here. Insert into table name is what? Sorry, not this is what? Transactions, guys. Transactions. Okay, transactions. And then in that transactions, what are the columns that you are passing the values here? I am passing the values for each column. First account number. First account number is the right account number you are passing here. Give the first account number, column names here. Then what is one? Transaction type. This is same column name only. Transaction type, comma. What next one? Amount, right? Amount, guys. And then what next one? Target account, right? Then values of all of you. So here we had passed the values, guys. Now how to pass the values here? See, I am taking now the table name of okay, all columns, guys, now. And here let's observe now. Let's observe here. What do we do here? What do we do now? I am going to pass the values, guys. Here we are going to pass the values. What are the values? Account number will be this account number, guys, whatever is there here, right? And the transaction type I give manual withdraw, guys. Here I give withdraw transaction type, right? And next one, what is there? Amount, guys, right? Okay, amount is there. That amount, how much withdraw? That amount we give here. Right? And let's see now that one, guys. Here I am giving a percentage yes, percentage yes, percentage yes, percentage yes. How many? 4 or 5? I think 4, right? 4 guys. Now, comma, I pass all variables here. I pass all variables, guys. Okay, right. Now, guys, observe now. First one, which one? Amount number for first placeholder, comma. For second placeholder, what now? Transaction type, right? Transaction type, guys. Okay, transaction type. Transaction type, but guys, actually this transaction type, which type, guys, here? Which type you are going to tell me now? Transaction type you are giving here manually. Which one? Withdraw, guys, right? All of you. First one assigned to here, first one account number. Second argument here, what I passed here, withdraw, right? Okay. Now what is transaction type here? Withdraw. Okay. That same we are passing, guys, here, transaction type withdraw. Withdraw. Next, account amount. What is amount? How much amount here? How much amount? Tell me now. You are giving how much amount you are giving? 10,000 are giving, right? Amount you are giving 10,000. So 10,000. The same 10,000 here. Okay, 10,000, 10,000, right? And the next one is which one? Target account, guys, right? Okay, target account. I'll take the same here, target account. And then what last one, guys, here? Transaction time. Transaction time, guys, all of you. Transaction time. The transaction time means now I'm going to use date time data now function is there, guys, in Python. Date time is your module name. I'm going to import here. I'll observe here. Import what? Import date time. The date time module one function is there. That is what now function. Now means what? It generates the instant time, guys. Instant time. The program executes, that time automatically generates. That's all, right? Those two executing, guys, here. Those two are executing here. Whenever we call this functions, right? These two functions, guys. These two functions. All of you. So till now, guys, is it clear now? Till now, let me know, everybody, is it clear now, guys? Right. Now let me execute this one. Guys, all of you. And once all over, now what I want here, once these two also executed over, I want to display one message here. What is the message here? Like withdrawn. How much amount? Some amount, guys. Okay, withdrawn some amount. Data new balance. How much new balance? That also I am giving here. Balance like this. Now I take this one. It's formatting like this. That's all. All of you. Okay. And above we have taken the try block, guys. Right? Try block. Try means suppose instead of the number I am giving something like hello, guys. I am giving something like hi like this. Right? At that time it won't allow hi, right? All of you. Okay, so at that time what happens here? It will throw error. Which error? Generally it will throw value error. That's what I'm taking now. Except what error will come? Actually value error will come. In that case I want display invalid input like this. Display what? Invalid input, guys. That's all. This is what now? Choice 2. Just to choice 2 over, guys. Means withdraw amount. Now let me run the full program. Right. Do you want login? Create account. I want login. Login for whom? For 1001. Is the pin number is 1111. Right. Now see, welcome Narayana. Then check balance. Okay. I want to check the balance. How much amount balance currently? 5000 rupees is there. Again the loop repeating here. The loop is repeating. Why is repeating again? Because of this while loop, guys. This while loop taken, right? That's why it's repeating. Once every operation over, it's repeating. Now I choose the option 2. Now see how much amount I have actually 5000 rupees, right? And I kept the 4 conditions, guys, here. Amount should not less than 0, should not more than balance, or should not more than withdraw amount, or should be multiples of 0 only. Those 4 conditions I am checking now. I am giving something minus 10. What display? Invalid amount, right? If it is minus 10, display what? Invalid amount, continue. Okay, continue means again repeated here. Suppose I am giving again withdraw amount only, but I want to withdraw something 90,000 rupees. Right, now you can see insufficient balance, guys. Okay, insufficient balance. Again it is repeating. See, even though I did not take this which one continue anywhere, it is repeating, guys, here. Why? Because the loop keep on repeats. So we have taken the true. There is no condition like maximum 5 iterations, no condition, right? It keep on iterates, guys. So see, now first choice over, second choice over. Next we do third, fourth, fifth. At last, what is there here? Exit choice is there. Then I take the break, guys. I'll take the break statement. At that time, when I give the option 7, it will break automatically. As long as I did not give the option 7, if keep on give the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it keep on repeats, guys. It repeats automatically, repeats all of you. Okay, alright. So at that time, is there any use of the continue? Let's try, guys. I don't take the continue. Let's see now. Again on the program here, I want login account here, account number 1001 and PIN number like this. Right. Check the balance. Yes, see, balance checking over, and withdraw. How much withdraw? I want withdraw minus 10. See, still it's repeating, guys, right? Okay. When you don't require that exit choice and we don't use the break, at that time manually you have to repeat continue, but now it's repeating automatically. Now first condition is failed. The second one is I am giving more than my balance of 60,000 rupees. Take the choice to withdraw. I am giving 60,000 rupees. See, insufficient balance. Okay, again try withdraw only. I am giving some 30,000 rupees. 30,000 is more than 0. First condition is okay. Second is what? 30,000 less than 50,000 rupees only. That is also okay. But what is the problem here? Daily limit. See now. Daily limit exceeded. Right? Okay. Now let us try again. What is fourth one here? Multiples of 100. I am giving. I want to withdraw 1,000 rupees. It's okay. But I am trying now 1,050 rupees, guys. 1,050 rupees. See now. Amount must be multiple of 100 only. If not multiple of 100, then display what here? Amount must be multiple of 100. See how, suppose, guys, now observe here, I am taking what now? 1050, right, guys? 1050 I am taking. Now I want multiple of 100, right? So what do I do? I'll take the 100, I'll take the bracket here, I'll give the bracket here like this. Then 100 10 how much, guys? Let me know. 100 10 how much here? Right, 1,000, right? 1,000, guys. Now how much coming here now? How much coming here? 50 is coming. How much coming here? 50 is coming, which is not equal to 0. 50 not equal to 0. How much coming here? Here 50 is coming, guys. Here 50 is coming. 50 not equal to 0. True or false? It is true. That's why display what? Multiples of hundreds. Suppose if I take 1,000 rupees only, guys. If I give 1,000 rupees only, then what happens here? I am giving 1,000 rupees only. Now 10 is how much now? 1,000 rupees. How much, guys? 1,000 rupees. Now how much remaining? Remainder how much here? 0. Remainder is 0. Right? Remainder is 0. Now, so if I give 1,000, how much remainder? 0. 0 not equal to 0. not equal to 0 false. False means don't display. It go to the next one, guys. When else block will execute if all conditions are false. If all are false, then it executes, guys. That's why I'm taking everything in a negative way. Less than 0, greater than our main amount, or like okay, not equal to 0, like that. I have taken the opposite way. Why? Because if these all are false only, then only I can withdraw my amount properly. Okay, right. Now I choose the option 2 again. Now checking all conditions over, guys. Now what do? I am going to withdraw some 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees I withdraw here. Now date time has no function, it's saying, right? Date time has no function. Okay, so here the program written error, but let's check now anything happened here, like yes, can observe, guys. Now can observe here now, right? Amount is deducted, guys, here, right? Deducted, and let's see now transactions, sorry. Okay, so here the transaction not saved, guys, here, even though it is updated here. Why? Because see, it is executing properly, guys. That updating executing properly. That is not proper. Where is the error? The error is there in this point. That's why it is not executed, this function. That's why the table is not okay, updated, guys. Which one? Transaction table. So the thing is date time. I'll take some alias name dt, and we take here dt dot date time dot now. Yes, let us try now. It executes now, I think. Now I take a choice again 1, account number 1001, and PIN number this one, and the balance how much here? 4,000 rupees only. 4,000 because already amount deducted. Now let's see here withdraw. How much I withdraw here? I want to withdraw 10,000 rupees now. Currently how much is there? 40 in the account's balance. Now I want to withdraw how much amount? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees again. Observe, guys, here. Not all parameters were used in the SQL statement. Not all parameters are used in the SQL which statement or insert into table statement, guys. Okay, let's see now. Account number taken, transaction type taken, amount taken here, target amount taken here, but and also here how many we used 4 or 5. So yes, guys, here if you observe now, guys, here small change required here. What a change means, in the table actually how many columns are there? 5 columns, guys, right? Forget about this ID column. Except that how many columns are there? 5 columns are there. The last one I did not take in this table, guys. You observe now that last one, transaction time, not taken here, right? Not taken here. That also I am taking now. What is column name? Transaction time. Transaction time. We should pause here. For that, we should pause one extra. Which one? Placeholder. And then here it is coming now, right? Now observe here, guys. Now for account number, this variable value will send. For transaction type, the type is written already manually withdraw. Amount also, amount column is there. Target account by default that is none here, and transaction time this date is coming. Yes. Now I think, guys, again now that accounts balance changed, guys. Observe now. How much? 30,000 only, because that accounts update function executing properly. In the transaction table only error is coming 2 times. Okay, right. Now let's observe here. I am taking Run the program again. Run the program again here. I'm taking which one? Login, right? Login, guys. Or the account number? 1001 account number. What's the PIN number? 1111. Right. Check the balance. How much balance is there now? 30,000 rupees balance is there, guys. How much amount? 30,000 rupees balance is there. Okay. And now withdraw amount, guys. Withdraw amount. How much amount withdraw? Already how much balance is 30,000 rupees balance is there? I want to withdraw 10,000 rupees now. Yes. Now everything is fine. Everything is fine. So now displaying withdrawn 10,000 rupees. New balance how much here now? New balance how much? 20,000 rupees is there. Now see, that means calling both functions, executing both functions over, and last displaying the message also, guys, right? And let's see the table here, guys. Now accounts table, now 20,000 rupees is there, and transactions table, but still the transaction table, the data array. See, guys, we forgot about DB commit, guys, right? We have to save it permanently. Now it is fulfilled, guys. See, every time we're doing mistake, right? But after every mistake we are recovering and we are completing that one, guys. Okay. Now again, let's go with the login account 1001 1111. Yes. Check the balance. How much now balance? 20 only balance is there, right? All of you. Now I want I am giving suppose 10,000 rupees now. 10,000 rupees. Yes. Withdraw 10,000 rupees. And how much new balance? 10,000 rupees. Now let's go here. Accounts 10,000 rupees. Now transactions. Yes. We can see now. We can see transaction. What is the type here? Withdraw type. Okay. How much amount you withdraw? 10,000 withdraw. And any target amount? Target account means what, guys? Here, suppose I am the customer. I log into my account here. Now I want transfer money to my friend. Okay. My account number how much here? My account number is 1001. My target account number means my friend account number how much here? 1002. If I do the transferring amount at that time, this will be the which one? This will be the target account, guys. But in this case, I'm not transferring. This time only withdraw only. That's why no target account. That's why null is there. And you can see the date time also recording, guys. The date time also recording. That's all. Right. Now, guys, let me know. Let me know, guys. Everybody. Is this clear now? Withdraw amount. All of you guys, let me know. Withdraw amount. Is it clear? Withdraw amount, guys. See, it looks very simple one, very small one, but it has taken almost, guys, some 50 minutes above. Guys, let me know, everybody. Let me know, guys. Till now, is it clear about withdraw functionality? Withdraw functionality, guys. And guys, I do one small thing here. What do I do means to look in better way. I am going to add some emojis, guys. Like in case of money, I want that rupee symbol, right? Okay, rupee symbol like this. Just observe, guys. Now I think adding emojis. Spelling mistake. Okay. Indian I think guys dollar symbol is there, but I'm unable to get that rupees guys. Okay, so I take here Indian rupee. See this warning guys, this warning we can use suppose here, right, and suppose here also bill limit exceeded, warning here, right, it is also a kind of warning here, it is also input item, it is also a kind of okay, so we can use like this guys. Now let's see here how it looks like. Login to account here, account number, right, I check the deposit withdraw amount, withdraw I am giving something -10, see, displays like this, invalid input amount, or I want withdraw, sorry, deposit only again, I am giving something like some 30,000 guys. Currently how much amount this 1000 account has 10,000 rupees only, but he is giving 30,000 rupees, so insufficient balance, that warning symbol guys, that warning symbol. Okay, so here also guys it is better to add that Indian rupee symbol, maybe in shortcut is there on the keyboard, but I am not aware of that one guys. So I'll go with this symbol guys, this one we know, right? Okay, like this. Login to account 1001, it is a pin number, deposit, currently 10,000 rupees is there, I want to withdraw 5,000 rupees only, okay. It's saying a transaction account number 1000 is duplicate. Oh, guys, here I done a small mistake, guys. Here we done the small mistake. What is that means? See, the same person can do transaction multiple times, guys, right? But what happened here? Already 1000 account number done the some transaction. How much transaction? Some 10,000 rupees withdraw, guys, right? Account number 1000 stored here. Again, I am trying to do one more withdraw for the same account number. It's throwing error. Why error? It's saying that duplicate entry 1001. It's saying that duplicate entry 1001. Why duplicate entry? I can do multiple times also. In single day, I can do 5 transactions or 10 transactions. That is my choice. Up to that limit, guys. Without limit exceeding, I can take 1000, 4, 5 times also. But saying the duplicate entry for second time only. Why? Because the table created, I have given for this account number I have given unique number, guys. Unique means what? Don't allow duplicate values. Right? That is wrong. See, that transaction should be unique compulsorily. That's the primary key taken. But account number should be duplicate in the transaction table. In the accounts table, account number should be unique in this table. But the transaction table, it can be duplicate, guys. So we should not take what here unique. We have to change it now. How to change it there? Let's observe now. How to change it means, I'll take alter table. What table here? Transactions table, and modify account number column, which is integer, and I can take here all of you. What is the column here? So what is the thing here now? What is thing here? Here unique is there. Unique is there. That unique we should remove from this one, guys, right? We should remove from this one. All of you, we should remove from this one, right? So for that we should which one update, guys? Okay, we should update. Okay. Now let's see here. Guys, 1 second. What we do here? So let's try all the table name and modify account number, integer type that one, guys. Integer type account number, yes, integer type. Okay, and let's see now. Here if you take not null, no, not null, guys, here. So here, guys, now what required means I want to remove that index, okay, which none we can't do this one, guys. 1 second. Okay, we'll take what are the indexes available, guys. So index from transactions table. Let's observe now. On the transaction table we have two things, guys. Okay, one is primary key is there on ID column, or second one account number is there on the account number column. Sorry, right. Okay, primary key name on ID column, right, and also non-unique okay. So guys, I'll do now what we do here. Alter table name is what? Transactions. Drop index, and you can give index number, guys, here, but I am unable to see the index number, sequence index 1, or else let's give the column name, guys. I'll give the column name. On what column I want to move the index number, account number, like this. I think working, guys, now. Yes. Oh no, still is working, guys. Okay, 1 second. Guys, it is, I think, working. Just let's wait for 2 more time, little bit time. guys, it is still in the process now. No, still it is there, guys, right? So guys, here Korea aborted and still it is not dropped, because you should drop it, guys, compulsorily. If you drop this unique, then only it allows duplicate transactions for every customer. Otherwise, it allows one transaction for one customer only, guys. Alter table, table name, transactions, drop index, and then account number. That's correct only, guys. Let us try one more thing here. Let's take suppose constraint, guys. Okay, still the same thing, guys, right? It's aborting. Guys, it's taking some time. It's taking some time, I think. I'll check once, guys. Okay, and let's see in the next session, guys. It's taking some time. So for today, guys, what is our just withdraw, right? Withdraw functionality, over, guys. Withdraw functionality. In the next video, we will discuss very clearly the third one, guys. What is third one? Deposit. Okay. So guys, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and click on the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet next session. Bye.